everyone. It's been a little while since I've done a Facebook Live. I do plan on doing lots more. I think I keep saying this, time is just running away with me. But I wanted to pop on today and I have my new Stampin' Up cut and emboss machine. It arrived last week and I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it with you and do a video so you could see if you ordered one what it would come like. So first and foremost, if you don't know who I am, my name is Natalie O'Shea and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, which means that I teach you how to make handmade cards and also sell you the products to do so as well. So as I say, what I'm here to show you today is a new die cutting and embossing machine. So, I mean, I don't want to be here forever. You don't need to be here forever. I don't want to be here forever. So let's go. I've got my box. I'm going to change cameras. There we go. This is my box. This is how it turned up. And I've literally just sliced it open here now. And I just thought, I can't see comments. I don't know if anyone is watching with me. We'll find out in a minute. So yes, I've literally just opened. Oh, so hello people. I've literally just sliced this open and I haven't done anything else. I don't know what this is going to look like. What's it going to be like? I hope you can see everything okay. I hope I don't knock the camera, which I think I'm about to do. Oh, that's not going to go all the way up, is it? Because I can only get it to there. So let's bit of cardboard. I'm sure there's a bit of upcycling that could be done with that. And dun dun dun, I probably need to stand up actually, you can't see. So let's just close that for a minute and let's see what this is. So this says on here, the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. There it is, this isn't the machine. But we have a Stampin' Cut and Emboss quick start guide and various languages. Well, there's more than that in there because there's all the plates for the machine as well. So let's have a look. So the first thing that I love about this is the plates are numbered. No more do we have to sit there and go, the fat one, the thin one, this one, that one, use long names or anything like that. We can literally say you need plate 4 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you've got this. It says this is not a cutting surface, number 4. You have 2, oh, with a little bit of tissue paper in between so they don't scratch. They don't look like this for very long. But this has number 3 on it, as does that. So you still get 2 plastic cutting plates. So these are what you cut. Everything that you cut gets sandwiched generally in between the 2 plastic plates. So your number 3 plates. Then you've got a plate number 2, and it says here, you've got a picture of all the things and how to do that. It says do not use with embossing folders. But it does say place the die cutting edge down. So it tells you need plate 1, plate 2, 2 plate 3s, and you put your piece of card and your die cut in there. How much easier is this? And then you've got, so that's super thin. So that's how thin and thick all those are. So the grey plate is a bit thicker, the 2 plastic plates, and then plate 2, kind of shim the. And then you've got this big fat one here. So that's plate 1. So it says place the die cutting edge down. Again, it's got your 1, 2, 3, your 1 and 3, your 1 and 4. See? So if you're using standard embossing folders, you need plate 1 and sandwich your thing in between your 2 plate 3s. And if you're using our 3D embossing folders, plate 1, your embossing folder, and plate 4. It does say for training tips and ideas, visit Stampin' Up / cut and emboss, the ampersand, cut ampersand emboss. It says this is not a cutting surface as well. So literally most of the cutting gets done between those 2 plates, plate number 3 as I said. And it's just a case of reading, knowing, you get used to things. But wow, is it so much easier. Now we can call them numbers instead. And then you've got your quick start guide. So we've got it in various languages, obviously because Stampin' Up is global, multicultural, multi-language. But I think that's all we need. So you've got some pictures. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. But you've also got it in English there as well. And I'm not going to read it all, which is probably going to make me make a mistake. I'm kind of scanning them quickly to make sure. So it does tell you what's inside the box. It tells you important. Read those. I probably should read those. Some care instructions. How to attach the handle. So the handle, like our last machine, doesn't come attached. So it fits nicely in the box. how to use the Stampin' Cut Emboss machine, and the fact that it's got a 3-year limited warranty. So 3 years, if anything goes wrong, you can return it and get it replaced free of charge. So back to my box. So take out this very recyclable thing. Actually, it's quite heavy. Oh, hang on, look. So don't do what I nearly did then and leave the handle in the bottom of the box, because you'll be looking for that later. It'll already be in the recycling. So let's get rid of my box. So I have a handle. Look at this. I am, oh, you can't really see it. I am Mrs. White and Grey. So I'm very pleased that this actually matches my craft room and my entire house, pretty much. But look, oh, goodness me. Here it is. Look. So some nice grippy feet on the bottom. Nice logo. So you can see from my hands what kind of size it is. But, and there's my bit poking out from the handle there. In fact, I might put that on first. Let's have a quick go. So I don't want to keep you here all day. But I haven't used it, and I've sat there and I did a load of die cutting at the weekend. And I was like, oh, I used my new machine. And I'm like, no, I can't, because I need to share that. And I haven't opened it yet. I don't know. So what have we got? We've got a square, sort of. Pop it on there like that. Oh, is it going to be all right like that? I think so. And then normally, I should probably read the instructions. Right. We've got a washer. Can you see that? Let's move you right up there. Oh, hang on. Ooh. So we've got a screw and a washer. So put the washer on, put that in there. Oh, it's not very good if you've got acrylic nails that aren't your own. I've got it there. There we go. And then you've got a little baby Allen key. So whichever way floats your boat. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I didn't know that expression until a couple of years ago when we had a stamp that said it. We use it all the time now. So righty tighty, there we go, I can feel it. And don't tighten it up as tight as can be, but tight enough that it's not going to fall off. And then you've got a little plastic stopper that just goes in there, so that will hopefully help it stay in place, make sure it doesn't fall out. There we go. I'm thinking that will work. So, where'd you put things? How does it work? Well, I know. Dun, 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 dun. I might have to go that way. Dun, 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 dun. Is it a little bit sad that I think this is a bit sexy? Probably is. But look, there you go. So, as with most die cutting machines, she said I can't find the plates. You will. So all this is, so in here basically is a roller, and all these plates really do is raise your, whatever it is you're cutting, up to the roller enough so that the roller has an impact and will either emboss or cut. It will add enough pressure. So you have to get the plates right, otherwise you might break your machine, you might break the plates. But what you literally do is you're putting your things in between your cutting plates. Oh, look at that. So if you give it a little push, it tells you which way it wants to go. Can you see that? Oh, let's move you over a little bit. Oh, it's very grippy. So look, if I push that, see, it's moving. So I know that I need to move it round that way. Oh, it's nice and steady. Hardly any pressure because I haven't got a die cut in there, so we're not going to see it. But that's it. And my understanding, having seen other people that have used it, that you don't need to go backwards and forwards multiple times. You don't need a specific plate for intricate dies. It cuts everything out perfectly. But that's it. So when you're done, you can, I believe that springs up a little bit, so be careful. Oh, there we go. How tidy is that? Takes up less room than my previous machine. You can put the plates somewhere. It's super sexy. What do you think? I think they're great. You can now buy these. No, that's a complete lie. I can buy these. You can't buy these. But you can get one as part of a starter kit. So these are on demo release only at the moment until the beginning of September. So only a couple more weeks. So as demonstrators, one of our perks is getting our hands on things early. And as such, we were able to order these in early. And you will be able to get your hands on them from the beginning of September. Unless, as I say, you decide to come and join the fun, come and join the party and become a demonstrator with me and my fabulous team, then you can pre-order this as part of your starter kit. You can order this and another £18 worth of products for just £99. So the machine is £112, and as I say, for £99 you can order this machine, £18 worth of extras, and just pay £99 and you get it delivered for free. So how's that? So save 30 quid off as such. But that's it. So yes. But if you don't want to come and join the fun, which is, you're missing out, you know, you are missing out. But if you don't, you'll be able to get your hands on one of these at the beginning of September. So I love them. It takes up less space. It's quite heavy. I mean, they're all quite heavy because those rollers and the mechanics inside need to add some pressure. But that's it. That's how it comes. Say two plate 3s, 1 plate 2, 1 plate 1 and a plate 4. And just read a bit of instructions and look on those. That tells you what you need to do on there as well. So you don't have to remember, you don't have to keep going back to this quick start guide. And that's as quick as it is to set it up. What do you think? What do you think? That's it. That's all I'm going to be here for. I will. So now I've shown it to you. Now I've opened it. I am going to be doing some more Facebook Lives as time goes on now, and I will be using this fabulous machine as time goes on. Right, that's it. Thanks for joining me. Hello. But I'm going to say goodbye now and say thanks for watching. And if you want to shop any crafting supplies, not just this machine, you can go to www.natalieoshay.stampinup.net. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and order whatever goodies you want. I will leave it with you. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.